What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be going through Xlookup. We will also be touching on some conditional formatting and other today and year functions, how you can use this in a data set to automate some processes. So what I've got here today is I've got a Netflix based data set with all these different movies. So we can see here on the screen. So what I want to do here is I've got a little movie list over here with my movies in it. So what I want to do to start off with is I want to calculate the release year for these particular movies, okay? And the release year is over in this column over here, column G. So what I need to do is I need to do an Xlookup. So to do that, I would go equals, and then I go Xlookup, okay? And we get our parentheses. So open parentheses, the lookup value, which is the movie that we're looking up in this instance, the lookup array, okay? So, whereabouts do we want to get the movie from? So that'll be C here because the movie Jaws will be located here in the title of the movie. And then we want to go to return array. So what column is the release year? So in this instance here, it will be G. All right, I close this, I hit enter, and bang, it comes up, okay? So I can see Jaws 1975, Rocky 1976, etc. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the number of years old for the movie. So how old is the movie? And what I want to do here is I want to use the today function that calculates the day as you open, your workbook and use your computer. So tomorrow it'll have tomorrow's date, and so forth. So if I get back on in 5 years' time, this is automated. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go equals year, which is the year function. So that's the year of, so if I wanted to do, if I had a date function for today's date, for example, I could use this year function and put that cell in here and get the year. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to amalgamate that with the today function because I want today's date. And I want this to be automatically updated. So if I want to come back on next year, the how old the movie is will be there. So year today as parentheses. I go here again and I go here. Okay, so that gives us the year of today's date. So to calculate the number of years old for the movie, we now have to go minus and we go over here to B2. Okay, and we hit enter. And here we've got the age of the movies. Okay, and we can sort of see, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yep, these are all good. Okay, and if you want to filter it out, you can go sort largest to smallest. So that will tell you what the older movies are, and down here, what movies are a little bit more recent within the list. Okay, so that's sort of P for the movie lookup release year. My table has headers. Okay, so what we're looking to do here is we want to do a conditional formatting for this particular cell here. So what I want to do is I'm going to build a little formula over here where I can look up different movies for what year they were released in. Okay, so if I want to go here, for example, I could go Jaws and the release year of Jaws over here. I would just do another quick Xlookup. Okay, and that's just again the lookup value, the lookup array, which is A here. Okay, the return array because we just want the release year here, so that would be B. Okay, and then we go here and we can see 1975. Okay, so now if I want to automate this, what I can do is I can go data validation. Okay, and I want to go list. And the source I want for my list here is I want here, Control Shift down. Okay. All right, so now you can sort of see if I go Goldeneye, James Bond, release year 1995. I can go scary movie 2000, and I have an automated list here. So thanks for listening in here today, guys. This could be useful in different forms of when managing security systems in a business, different forms of supply chain analysis, in addition to um, monitoring revenue and sort of getting those numbers for the boss quickly on a data set. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.